Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate your time and your attention. And also I wanted to let you know that I have a few openings in my studio and I can take on a couple of new students. So if you're looking for a teacher and you think online format is gonna work well for you, let's connect. There's a link below where you can go on my website and fill out a contact form. I'll be happy to reply and let you know my availability. Thanks again.